Okay, Uncle Roger, before we eat, we're gonna step into the kitchen and see how everything is cooked and everything's prepared. Oh, yes.
What is this?
Oh, coming out.
Is that mouse? Why are you trying to feed me, Uncle Mark? What is this?
Oh, this is one of their specialties.
Oh, it really is mouse.
Rats. You know the Bangkok rats you see running around? No, I'm joking. These are not the Bangkok rats. Actually, they're called nuna, which is a rat, but from the rice paddy fields. So these are nice, clean, healthy rats. Tasty rats.
After you cook, it become like this.
And so that one is grilled a little bit.
They eat this every day?
It's actually very common, especially in the rural areas, in rice paddy field areas. It's very common.
Okay. Uncle Roger learning something.
Uncle Roger.
A little bit weird, but I try to accept.
Uncle Roger, have you had rat before?
No, this is my first time.
Yes. Let's have him show us how he does it.
Oh.
And then after that, we can test it out. Ah, okay. Oh,
so
yeah.
violent.
So you gotta almost mash it up so you got the bones. You're gonna eat the bones and all. You want that crunch of the bone. Yeah, so he's really mincing it up.
I'm kind of curious, what rat gonna taste like?
Oh,
is it like chicken?
There's only one way to find out.
Uncle Roger don't want to use that way, please.
All right, Uncle Roger.
No.
I think you should take a turn.
No.
Come on. Have you ever chopped a rat before?
No.
Or have you ever... Dude, you're totally just destroying
some
that rat. And you just said, be careful, it might bite you.
Hey.
Oh, Auntie's giving you some tips back here. Okay, first like kind of chop it there. There you go. You can actually hear that little crunch of the bone as you slice down.
Just enjoying the crunch of rat. Poor rat. This is like Jeffrey Dahmer meet Ratatouille.
Okay, so Uncle Roger, she's going to be making one of their signature dishes, which is called pad pirot.
Pad pirot
with the rats.
Okay.
Okay, so here goes in the rat.
Look like ground beef.
Oh yeah, it is.
Just sauteing it, pressing it down so everything cooked even.
Yeah.
See, he's still smiling. You see rat getting cooked, he's still smiling.
Because my mouth is starting to water.
What?
Could not be happier than seeing a Thai auntie cooking us a rat. And then you can see all her ingredients here, all her seasonings, the chilies, the garlic, their jungle curry paste. Yep.
Jungle curry.
But she says they make their own curry paste, and that's how you know a good restaurant. Okay. Thai cup.
If you go through effort to buy rat, this special thing and cook, of course you have to make your own curry paste.
For sure.
Imagine if you're cooking rat and there are curry paste from Trader Joe. Who do that?
That would be devastating.
What difference between jungle curry and like green curry?
So the difference is all in the curry paste and the different ingredients that go into it. And that's like Thai anti-wisdom, knowing all those ingredients.
So what ingredients
like
go
for
in
instance, this one would be heavy on the dry chilies. Because you can see the color.
So jungle curry.
And more chilies go in, garlic.
Nice. The classic Thai ingredient.
She also tossed in some lime leaves. You can see the green peppercorns there.
Correct.
So she added in soy sauce. And then a little bit of deglazing with Chinese wine.
Shaoxing wine.
And you can see she stir fries that, keeping it dry. Man, that looks good. Basil goes in.
Basil.
Okay, so actually there's many different regions of jungle food in Thailand too. And she said their version is from Ratburi.
Okay.
Province called Ratburi, yeah. I love how Auntie just works that wok. She's slow and methodical, but she knows exactly what she's doing, and she's putting all her like energy and focus and dedication into that. She is incredible.
Oh
man.
After you cook it, it looks good. You just tell people this ground beef, they're not gonna know.
Oh man, that looks good. I love how she just took her time making it and just patience, you know. Okay, so next up she's gonna make the deer.
Oil, jungle curry paste, deer go in.
Deer goes in.
That's the fresh green pepper.
Yep.
Thai basil, kaffir lime leaf.
Kaffir lime leaves are there. The curry paste, the master curry paste. Yeah, she's very proud of her curry paste.
tastes like the
Honey, there's like 3 different types of chilies. There's galangal, there's garlic, there's lemongrass, a variety of peppers. One of the great things is aunties like her just know exactly the ingredients that go into their curry paste, and they know exactly the ratios as well.
Right.
So like everybody has their different ratios, and that's why it tastes different. She's gonna add in bayira. So this one is actually clove basil.
What?
Clove basil.
A different type of basil.
Yeah.
Yo.
And you're gonna taste it. It has a like totally different flavor. It's more like clovey, yeah, actually clovey.
Clove basil.
Oh, nice.
Yo.
Oh, nagin Mark, huh?
So effortless.
Yeah.
So effortless.
She just does it beautifully. So rhythmic. Wow. ขอบคุณมากครับ อันนี้เสร็จแล้วครับ Okay ครับ So Uncle Roger, people always leave comments below saying you keep using the same words every single time. So what's your advice, Uncle Roger?
What kind of word you use? Use some new word?
I use juicy.
Okay.
I use rejuicing.
Rejuicing?
I use
What rejuicing?
saturated.
That's so weird food word. Just say it tasty or not tasty.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
What do you guys think about Uncle Roger's advice?
It tastes salty or sweet. I know why your viewer think that, because every time you eat, you're smiling and big eye. It's so juicy. Fuyo, she's
All right.
done already.
There it is. Next dish. Fresh.
She's like machine, just pumping it
Man,
out.
she does. She does. So Uncle Roger, she's been cooking like jungle dishes, but this one is actually the main jungle curry. In Thai, it's called geng pa. Geng pa, or forest curry or jungle curry. So again, it's all about that magical paste.
If you steal this whole restaurant closed down. Every dish use this.
It's right though. That paste is actually like the key to good restaurants in Thailand.
Auntie, what happened if I steal this? Does she have to close down restaurant? I can hold this pot hostage and she will obey all my demand.
Whoa.
Thai eggplant, long bean,
So those are fish cakes that go in. That's one of their signature versions to get it with.
sugar. It all missing MSG, you know.
ที่นี่ไม่ใส่กระรส
Okay. Oh, she says actually no MSG in
No
the food.
MSG?
Yeah. She said no MSG.
Oh, she taste testing. Nice technique to taste test.
Oh, and again, she's
with
finishing up with the floral.
What they call again? Queen.
Mak Quen. Oh man, as soon as she lifts off that lid, that burst of aroma. Oh, basil goes in. The handful of basil.
Why are you so impressed by basil? Your restaurant use it in every dish. Look at this, Uncle Mark. Whoa, basil! Like he never see basil before.
It's a gift that keeps on giving. Oh man, that is the real jungle curry. Okay, sitting down to eat. All the food is ready.
Nice. Look at all this jungle food.
Well, we have the rat right there in the front. That looks absolute fire, and it has a cool story of its name as well. But I think let's ease our way
Let's
in.
start with the star dish.
Yeah.
Jungle curry with fish cake.
Oh man, that looks great.
Okay, Uncle Roger scoop for you.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Do you want some Thai eggplant also?
Yes, please. Oh, you see the slices again. Finger root.
Finger
Roger.
root. They use
Finger root.
finger root for everything.
Yeah, it's very common, especially in central Thailand. All right. We got the fish
You know
ball.
what? Uncle Roger want to just taste the curry by itself.
Broth. The broth.
Tastes very herby.
Yeah.
Almost purple.
That's the finger root coming in, and
very,
that's the basil coming in.
yeah, very dark flavor. Very
Yeah,
nice,
yeah.
rich, dark and rich.
So one of the reasons it's called jungle curry is because, especially traditionally, a lot of the ingredients came from the forest, and also they used wild meats or river fish, freshwater fish. So they traditionally used a lot of herbs, a lot of chilies to kind of mask the flavor of the irony flavor of wild meat or freshwater river fish.
Uncle Roger can keep eating this.
Like it's not overly spicy. It's just a nice harmony of flavor, but it's so herbal. It goes so well. You're right, it's addictive too. Like you just can't stop eating.
Uncle Roger tried this before. Jungle curry outside Thailand. Not the same.
No.
So much more bland. But this one, the flavor punch you in your face.
Yeah.
Very good. Let's try this one.
Yeah, let's move on to the next dish.
What is this?
Okay, so this one is the deer stir-fried with clove basil. Grab a, and you can see the green pepper in here.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
What the flavor? It's like doubanjiang, you know?
That's the clove basil.
It's like
kind of like
broad bean paste.
Yeah, that's the one. Kind of has this licoricey taste to it as well, a little bit.
You almost taste Chinese because of that taste.
Yeah, it kind of has that almost like licoricey numbing. Like it numbs your tongue a little bit as you bite
pepper.
down. Yeah. And the MARK WIEN. Remember Auntie tossed in that MARK WIEN with every dish. Oh, and the deer is so tender too. Like
Usually deer meat very tough and gamey.
Yeah. I think a combination of the curry paste and the herbs in there just balance the flavor of that deer just perfectly.
So I'm going to feel the spice. I don't know if it's from here or from there.
Uncle Roger's starting to sweat.
Where it's from?
Uncle Roger, it's a good thing you carry a towel. Did you try those green peppercorns, Uncle Roger? Check this out. They're right there. That's the green peppercorn.
It's like eating fresh peppercorn, but green.
And it starts to kind of like slowly disperse on your tongue, and the flavor just starts to like absorb into your taste buds.
So unique, this flavor.
And the heat builds.
It's so fragrant.
Oh yeah.
You swallow it, you can still taste the aftertaste.
Oh yeah. And actually, Uncle Roger, one of the reasons you'll see these fresh leafy vegetables on the table is because you have all these strong flavors and all these chilies. And actually, this is to cleanse the palate. I'm not totally sure which leaf this is. We gotta try and find out.
Maybe just
it's
randomly
sour.
from that plant.
You could just take your risk and just pluck a leaf from the
Welcome
jungle.
to the jungle.
Oh, that's sour.
Yeah?
Has this amazing sourness to it.
Uncle don't like this leaf terrible. I feel like giraffe. Ugh. Feel like uncooked.
I like that. That's like a citrusy burst.
Yeah, but you like everything, Uncle Mark.
Yeah.
You like everything.
You're
Uncle
pretty much right about that.
The aftertaste of this leaf, bitter. It's bitter. Oh.
You need another bite of jungle curry to counterbalance. Usually they're sour, bitter, and astringent to totally cleanse your palate.
Sour, bitter, astringent. They all negative word. Why you still eat?
No, those are positive.
No, sour, bitter, astringent. You know who sour, bitter, astringent? My ex-wife. Go hang out with her.
Okay, Uncle Roger, let's move on to the next dish. Let's try the gengkua. So this will be a different experience as well because it has coconut milk in it.
Sorry, one second. Too spicy, Uncle Roger need a sip of this.
Okay. Uncle Roger has a milk tea over there on the other side of the table.
No, don't tell people. Making me look weak.
Okay, Uncle Roger, here we have, this is called gengkua. It's another style of a curry. And you see, this is our protein of choice for this.
Oh, what is that?
What do you think it is?
It's gonna be some weird.
No, it's not too weird actually.
Is it cockroach?
No, this one is pretty tame actually. Quite common in normal. Eel.
Okay.
So this one is eel.
Okay.
In a curry, which is called gengkua, and kua means like roasted. So usually the curry paste, like that curry paste we saw, that curry paste, but instead of like the fresh one, usually it's like toasted, roasted, so that it might have more of a smoky flavor. So I could serve you some of this.
Thank you. Everything's so spicy over here.
Let me get a few more pieces of those eel. It's kind of a little eel. I think it's bamboo shoots. Do you want to get a full flavor of that broth?
Correct. I want. Let me try.
I'll try that soup as well.
Oh. It's just like red curry.
Yeah.
Almost.
Except more flavor. You can taste the infusion of those bamboo shoots in there. And the basil again.
So creamy.
Yeah.
Oh, I need tissue.
All right.
My
Let me get some tissue for you.
There.
Okay.
Can you believe this Uncle Mark? Sour, bitter, astringent, and he's still sour, bitter, astringent, delicious.
Okay, let's try this eel. Oh.
Big piece of bone in middle. Almost killed myself.
Uncle Roger, you gotta put the whole thing in your mouth and just nibble off the meat from it.
Okay. The meat very nice. Uncle Roger like. It's like unagi without the sauce.
Yeah. I love those thinly sliced bamboo shoots in there. Let's do this one right here.
What is this?
This is frog. Fried frog. Fried frog.
In Malaysia, we eat frog also.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
You can see the skin kind of curling up there, chopped into pieces, and with garlic on top.
And then you dip in this.
Yeah. So you can dip it in the sauce, which is more of like a sweet chili sauce. Yeah. Woo. There's bones in it, by the way. Come on, Uncle Roger. This is not boneless frog. Do you think it was boneless frog?
Uncle Roger thought this is frog McNugget. Just like nugget, just eat.
We should know it's so much better on bone.
America make everything convenient, you know?
And you, Uncle Roger, got used to it?
Yeah.
Uncle Roger let your guard down?
By hanging out with you, I used to keep my gut up. always trying to mess me up.
I think the best part about this is the skin. Did you get the skin on your bite? You can see the skin.
No. Uncle Roger wants some skin.
The skin is just kind of curled up when it fried. It just kind of turns into like the chicharron, like the fried skin. It just bubbles up, gets crispy.
It's like
so
frog
good.
chicharron.
Yeah. Oh.
Crunchy. Okay.
Okay, Uncle Roger, next up, this is Tom Yum. And
Tom Yum classic.
Classic Thai dish.
Finally, we tried Tom Yum in Thailand.
You can't come to Bangkok without eating Tom Yum.
Yeah.
This one is made from the free-range chicken.
Ah, free-range chicken.
Free-range chicken. They cooked it down. You can see there's tamarind leaves in there as well. He simmered it down with tamarind leaves, with mushrooms, the free-range chicken, with kaffir lime leaves. And then one of the tricks that they do, one of the moves that they do is once it's boiled, they then have lime juice at the bottom of the bowl, plus coriander. And so they don't cook that. He just pours the hot broth over that, because if you overcook the coriander, it will like become bitter. Same with lime juice, it will become bitter, so they pour that in at the end.
That's how you know you can control exact amount of lime juice.
Exactly. And also not overcook it so it's not bitter.
Correct.
Oh, yes. And you can taste the sourness from the lime juice, but also those tamarind leaves in there. Wow,
that's very nice.
Broth is healing.
Very good. Uncle Roger can live on Tom Yum and Jungle Curry every day. I hear something about Thai food. Uncle Roger think there's space for improvement, you know? Sometimes when you feel under the weather, you feel a bit sick, you just want some like Chinese chicken broth, you know, light and chickeny flavor herbal. But if you live in Thailand, all your soup super heavy, super sour.
Yes.
You know, I think Thai people can maybe come up with a lighter, gentler soup.
No, but then you need to add chili to it.
No. Stay away from the lime. Sometimes we just want some chicken broth, chicken soup. Some constructive criticism for the Thai people. Uncle Roger love you, that's why I tell you this. Yeah?
Thank you, Uncle Roger. There's still one more dish
Uncle Roger so full.
we've been waiting for. It's time for
No, we finished already. Let's go. No.
That you've all been waiting for.
Nobody waiting for that. Niece and nephew, click off this video. This video finished. Leave comment. Don't watch Uncle Roger video with Uncle Mark. There's no more food. Don't see camera. Don't show this. Play it out at the time.
By the way, I have one more detail to tell you, Uncle Roger. So it's called pad pirot. You know what pirot means in Thai?
No.
Angry.
Ah.
And do you know what pad means?
Pad, no.
Stir-fried.
Stir-fried angry. Yeah.
Exactly.
Because eating this make Uncle Roger angry. I angry why I come to Bangkok and let Uncle Mark mistreat me like this. I'm very angry.
So actually, I'm not totally sure the story behind this dish, because this is a dish that is mainly from this restaurant. It's like their signature.
Wait. So you say outside of this restaurant, nobody eating rat, it's just this restaurant. Are you sure this legit food? If nobody else eat it, you think it's normal? Okay, fine.
Uncle Roger, we need to get a big scoop of this. This is the rat, by the way. Oh, man.
They don't eat this in White Lotus, you know? White Lotus, they eat normal food.
I think we should get a big spoon of this,
No.
Uncle Roger. You gotta make your first bite of rat count. Come on, Uncle Roger, get a big bite. Uncle Roger, go all the way in. You gotta put the whole spoon in your mouth, Uncle Roger. Come on.
No.
Roger.
No, wait, no.
Come on, Uncle Roger. Are you scared?
That's non-consensual, you know? I original consent to this, Uncle Mark.
As soon as you taste the flavor, I think you'll be okay.
To be honest, not bad. To be honest, not bad.
To be honest, it's super tasty.
If you tell people
Extremely
it's ground beef, I will believe you, you know.
Like it has a little bit more of a crunch from those bones, the rib cage, the rat rib cage. Again, the finger root, the curry paste, the basil in there, and the green peppercorns. Oh,
Uncle Roger think maybe because I eat the whole spoon, it's a touch too salty. But it's because usually you eat this with rice, correct?
yeah,
So
usually
the rice
do it with
gonna
rib.
make it a little less salty.
Yep. Yeah, we should try it. We can try it with rice next.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, better.
Oh, man, it's so good. That is phenomenal. That's the dish that will punch you in your face and just keep you coming back for more.
Oh, spicy. So Uncle Mark, which one your favorite?
Oh man, without a doubt, that rat.
Really?
That's the highlight of the meal, hands down.
I think you eat too much weird food. Your taste is too extreme now, you know.
That jungle curry is fantastic though too. Such a wonderful flavor and just so.
My least favorite is this sour, bitter, stringent salad.
Salad. Thank you, Uncle Roger, for eating jungle curry with me.
Of course, no problem. Thank you for showing me this weird food.
You're welcome.
Uncle Roger will never come here, you know. If I don't know you, I will never come here by myself.
Okay, green curry or jungle curry? This jungle curry. Uncle
Oh,
Roger, what would you choose?
that's very hot, you know. I would have to say green curry. It just go with one thing. Jungle curry, it's not bad, but maybe Uncle Roger too used to green curry, you know.
Green curry is amazing as well though, for sure. Uncle Roger needs another Thai iced tea.
Yeah,
Uncle Roger, are you okay?
enough. Uncle Mark, leave me alone.